Alright, so this rear seat floor pan, need that. Under the driver's seat floor pan, there's a wood panel that covers this, but there's also, I need to find out what kind of brackets or whatever is beside it, because it looks like it's pretty well gone. Look right here. I think that was just what held it in. You can see the rest of it over there, so I need that. Those these rear fender wells, inner fender wells, are gone. Now, not sure how far up in here these go. Looks like maybe there, but that is gone. All the way across the back. That bottom panel here, I've seen on one website. So probably that, need that as well. The brackets that hold that look pretty decent. Those look pretty good, but the other rear fender well is gone as well. I need these door hinges. That looks pretty decent. This one's gone as well. Any of the battery box, I probably need that too. I do need to get this passenger door, front door. There's a little for the lock. The lock actually goes into there, but there's a little tab that's broken off. I'll get a better picture over here. But I need to, it's got this little knob that the latch fits on. You need door handles, window handles with they had like a line in them. They're all gone. I'll probably replace all them. These frames, I have them all, but I'll probably just, I don't know, sandblast them, chrome them, something. These panels below the door that go out to the fender well, they are gone. So I need these bottom panels. I'm not sure what they call them, but then I'll have to get these pieces, because they've gotten creative and welded them on. So, and I'm really thinking, with the inner fender wells gone so far, I'm replacing these rear fenders. They've welded them on because there was no inner fender well holding them. There's holes in them. They're really bad. That bottom panel, you can see it's gone. Some patchwork they've done on this fender, and they've tried to weld it on in a couple places. The doors look pretty decent. There's no holes in them, but we get back into the panel below the doors. It's gone. Same with this. It's all bent up, broken. Doors are pretty decent, no holes. Now, they have done some welding on the fenders, but I think they've done that because the floorboard was gone. That might be able to be cleaned up. But when I get up here to the front of this fender, it's gone in there. I don't know what to do there. Sandblasting will probably just eat it all away. There's the original color. It was a two-tone, probably black and burgundy. There's that little light. I don't know what it's for. There's for the mirrors, or the blinkers, or running lights. Probably blinkers. Pulled the plugs out. They didn't look too bad. Carboned up. I don't know if we'll be able to see in there or not. I got some pictures that are a little better, but they didn't look too bad down in there. I probably need to find these latches, both sides. Front fender is gone there. This looks pretty decent through there. I need the window frame. Front window frame and the window. Probably have to replace all the windows, I would imagine. This one's missing, the driver's side rear. These little kick panels or rocker, I don't know what we'd call them. Got a little design on them, but they're gone. That panel looks pretty good, the one under the back seat. Got little window blinds that roll up and down. Kinda cool. I need window tracks. I guess there's what they look like originally. Here's what these look like. Ignition switch in that middle. I gotta figure out what that middle button was for, I forget. I'll probably just powder coat, sandblast and powder coat all the dashboard. Not sure what this little switch was for. Not sure what that switch is for. Turned. Oh, it pulls out. Might have been a light of some type. All this is frozen up. All the brakes are frozen up. Clutch is frozen up. Don't know what that's for. Those two buttons, I have to research it. Heater duct vent up there, which is a pretty cool setup. I'll show you. So the heat blows in here. I don't know, it looks like there might have been some duct work bolted into here. Maybe something, I'm not sure. But then it would go back into this, into the cab And this would open or close to how much heat you wanted. This is the gas bowl, or I guess looks like you could clean it out. Block looks pretty good. Didn't see nothing. Serial number. The tag above it has nothing on it. That little box there, I gotta replace. It's cracked in a couple places. Of course, the top is pretty bad right through here, all the way across. But definitely running boards, rear fenders, this kick panel, inner fender wells, the rear panel going across the back. I think mostly everything else can be. Oh, this brace, that brace is gone. I'm not sure where that goes or what it's called. It's even broken at the bottom. Yeah, so that'll need replaced. Surprised the wood isn't gone. Two of the bows or bows are broken. That one and that one. I'll probably just replace all that, even the top. Well, it's a lot to, yeah, definitely that wood, the bracket that holds the wood panel in here. That is pretty rotten down in there too. So that must be the whole gas tank underneath there. Wow, ain't that nice? Reminiscent of an old Chevy with the gas tank behind you. This is right in front of you. Oh, looks like that fucking panel is gone too. Left front cowl panel. Christ. Every panel on this thing is gone or needing work. Well, this will give me an idea where to start. Out.